Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 2.1. In this exercise, total question are 12. In the previous classes, we have learnt two methods to solve the linear equation. One is inverse operation, second is transpose method. This exercise we will solve by using transpose method because it is an easier and time saving method. While transposing, the sign changes. So we have to keep 3-4 points in our mind while transposing. While transposing from left side to right or from right to left, positive sign changes to minus, minus changes to plus, multiply changes to divide, and divide changes to multiply. So let us start question 1. Question 1. The variable present in the left hand side. So we have to eliminate minus 2. To eliminate minus 2, we have to transpose it from left side to right side. So your minus sign will change to plus. We have seen this. Minus sign while transpose from left to right. So minus will become plus. So x is equal to 7 and minus 2 became plus 2. X is equal to 9. It is your solution. The question 2, variable y, we have to eliminate positive 3. To eliminate positive 3, we have to transpose it to right side. The positive change to negative. So y is equal to 10 minus 3. Positive change to negative because we have transposed from left side to right side. So y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. It is your solution. Third question, variable z present in the right side. We have to eliminate positive 2 from right side to left side. So I have told you while you are transposing positive from right side, it will become negative. So transpose positive 2. So positive 2 became negative. So 6 minus 2, 4. So z is equal to 4 is the solution. The next question, variable x. We have to eliminate 3 by 7 from left to right. The positive will become negative. So x is equal to 17 upon 7 minus 3 upon 7. You can see your denominator are same. No need of LCM here. X is equal to 17 minus 3 upon 7. 17 upon 3 is equal to 14 upon 7. So you can reduce into simplest form. 7 ones are 7, 2s are. X is equal to 2 is the solution. Now you can see your question 5th. In question 5th, we have to eliminate 6 from left side to right side. We have to transpose it from left side to right side. The multiply change to divide. X is equal to 12 divided by 6. You can reduce it. 6 ones are 6, 2s are. So x is equal to 2 is the solution. The next question, variable present in the left side. We have to eliminate 5. We have to transpose 5 from left side to right side. So divide change to multiply. T is equal to, it will shift 10 into 5. Divide change to multiply because we have transposed from left side to right. T is equal to 10, 5s are 50 is the solution. In the next question, variable x, we have to transpose 2 and 3. So you can transpose both together. You can see multiply transpose to divide and divide change to multiply. So see the solution. X is equal to 18, multiply change to divide, and divide change to multiply. You can reduce it. 2 ones are 2 nines are, and 9 multiply 3, 27 is the solution. Next question, variable y present in the right side. We have to eliminate 1.5 from right side. To eliminate 1.5, we have to transpose it to other side. Means from right side to left side. So divide, I told divide change to multiply. So 1 point, change it, 1.5 into 1.6 is equal to y. Multiply without decimal. 16 into 15, 240. Now you can put decimal 1 and 1, 2 places. So 2 place. After decimal you can ignore this 0. So 2.4 is the solution of this equation. Now question number 9. Question number 9, we have to eliminate 7 and 9. So first we will eliminate minus 9 from left side to right side. So 7x is equal to 16. Negative became positive because we have transposed from left side to right. 7x 16 plus 9, 25. Now we have to eliminate 7. So multiply, change to divide. 25 upon 7 is the solution. In the next question, we have to eliminate minus 8 and 14. So first we will eliminate minus 8. To eliminate minus 8, we have to shift it from left side to right side. The negative will become positive. So 14 by 13 plus 8. So 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Now you have to eliminate 14. So multiply, change to divide. So y is equal to 21 divided by 14. You can reduce it. 7 3s are 21 and 7 2s are 14. So y is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution. Now question number 11. We have to eliminate 6 and 17. So first we will eliminate 17. To eliminate 17, we have to transpose it from left side to right side. The positive will become negative. 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. So we have to subtract it. 17 minus 9, 8. But 17 greater, 17 sign minus 1, so sign is minus. Now we have to eliminate 6 from left. We have to transpose it from left side to right. So multiply, change to divide. P is equal to minus 8 divided by 6. You can reduce it. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So P is equal to minus 4 upon 3 is the solution. Now the last question of this exercise. We have to eliminate 3 and 1. So first we will eliminate positive 1. To eliminate positive 1, we have to transpose it from left side to right side. The positive will become negative. X by 3, 7 upon 15, it became negative. Now first step, put here denominator 1. Now you see their denominator are not same. They are not like. So 15 and 1 LCM is 15. See, 7 denominator is already 15 and here 1 denominator is 1. So we will multiply by 15. So 17 upon 15 minus 1, 15s are 15, 1 15s are 15. Now you can see these are like, denominator are same. Now you can subtract it. 7 minus 15 upon 15. So 15 minus 15 minus 7, answer is 8. But 15 is greater, 15 sign minus 1, so sign is minus. Now you have to eliminate 3 from left To transpose it from left side to right side, the multiply change to divide. So x is equal to minus 8 upon 15 multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. X is equal to minus 8 into 1 minus 8 upon 5 is the solution of this exercise. Minus 8 upon 5. Okay, this is 5. So students, we have completed our exercise 2.1. Complete this exercise and happy learning.